Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Opera GX VPN on Netflix. First, open the Opera GX browser. Then, click the VPN icon on the left side of the address bar. If you don't see it, go to Settings and tap on Privacy and Security. Then, go to the VPN and toggle it on. Opera GX VPN lets you choose between America, Europe, or Asia, not specific countries. Then, pick a region, for example, America, if you want US Netflix. Now, go to netflix.com and sign in. Try searching for shows that are region-specific, like The Office. In the US, Opera GX VPN is free but limited, and it doesn't guarantee full access to Netflix's library. Netflix often detects it and restricts content. If you see an error saying, "You seem to be using an unblocker or proxy," try switching the region in VPN, clearing cookies and cache, or restarting Opera GX. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.